All right, on 13 through 16, we're going to use this two-way table. It says, Kara surveyed the freshman class about ear piercings, and the results are shown below. So what we've got here is just the people that we've surveyed, and we haven't totaled it up yet. So this question on 13 says, what does 288 represent? Well, 288 is the intersection of the females and the pierced ears. So it means that there's 288 females that have pierced ears. So you have 288 females with ear piercings. Okay, and then 14 wants us to just finish the table. So we're just going to add our rows and add our columns. So 36 plus 288 gives us 324. And then 144 plus 32 gives us 176. And then we just need to add up our rows. So 36 and 144 gives us 180. 288 plus 32 gives us 320. And then you can either add up these or add up those. I would go ahead and do both just to make sure you've got the right total. So if I do 324 and 176, that gives me 500. And if I add these together, 180 and 320 is also 500. All right, so now to answer question 15. It says, what percentage of students have their ears pierced and are female? So this right here tells us what our denominator is going to be. Number of students. What percentage of students? So we have 500 students, and we're looking for ears pierced and are female. So ears pierced and are female is 288. So we just divide that, and it says round to the nearest percent. So 288 divided by 500. Now, this gives us our decimal, okay? So I'm going to write out that decimal real quick. This is not the percent. There's two ways you can get the percent. Either move your decimal 2 places to the right, or multiply your answer by 100. And so that gives us 57.6%, but it says round to the nearest percent. So is this closer to 57 or 58? And since this is 0.6, it's closer to 58. So this is 58%. On 16, it's asking us what percentage of male students. So that's going to be our denominator. So how many male students do we have? So we look up here, we have 180 male students. Okay, and out of that 180, we're looking for the percentage that do not have their ears pierced. So there's 144 male students that do not have their ears pierced. So that's going to be our numerator. And again, we just divide that in the calculator. And I'm going to go ahead and write down that decimal. And if you need to, move your decimal 2 places or multiply it by 100. And so we get 80. So that means that it's 80%. So 80% of our male students do not have their ears pierced.